you could buy this car cash. 2006 Hyundai Elantra. This bad boy would make Dave Ramsey proud. Clean upholstered interior in both the back and front. The highest tech you'll get in this bad boy is a CD player. And there's nothing on the steering wheel, but who cares about 196,000 miles when you're paying $3,500 for the car in total? Cash! And we'll take it one step further. With our Atlas a la carte program, we have a list of everything that's wrong with this vehicle. You'll know everything. And if there's anything you want fixed, we'll do it on the cheap. You can find this car and more on our West lot at 8325 East Main. Give us a call today.